Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the replacement process for your Dyson AM08 fan, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure to have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, unplug the fan from the power source. Safety is paramount when working with electrical appliances. Once unplugged, carefully remove the outer casing by locating the screws at the base of the fan. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew them, and remember to keep these screws in a safe place. Once the casing is off, you'll see the internal components of the fan. Take a moment to inspect for any dust or debris. It's a good idea to clean the interior with a soft cloth or a vacuum with a brush attachment. Regular maintenance can significantly improve the performance of your fan. If you're unsure about cleaning or don't have the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, locate the plate that needs to be replaced. This is typically secured with several screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver again to carefully remove these screws. Keep them organized, as you will need them when installing the new plate. If any screws are stuck, you can use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry them loose. After removing the screws, gently lift the old plate off. If you encounter any resistance, check for any remaining screws that may not have been removed. Once the old plate is off, take a moment to inspect the area for any additional damage that might need attention. Now, it's time to install the new plate. Align it carefully with the mounting points on the fan. Make sure it fits snugly against the body of the fan before securing it with the screws you previously removed. If you don't have the tools for this job or feel uncomfortable doing it yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Once the new plate is in place, use your Phillips screwdriver to tighten the screws. Be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the new plate or the fan body. After securing the plate, reattach the outer casing of the fan by reversing the steps you took to remove it. Finally, plug the fan back into the power source and test it to ensure everything is functioning properly. Listen for any unusual noises, which could indicate that something is not aligned correctly. If you encounter any issues or if the fan isn't operating as expected, remember that we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to understand the costs up front. Congratulations on successfully replacing the plate on your Dyson AM08 fan. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can prolong the lifespan of your appliance, ensuring it operates efficiently for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.